Man, those stupid snapback boys keeps grounding me everything, and I cannot believe I got grounded for eat Landon's mango. I wish I could revenge them, but how? I know, I am going to sneeze Lee in the face. Ha 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 ha.
Man, this is a very peaceful day without Daniel, and I can't do anything about things to do. Hey, Daniel, what are you doing here? Go back to your room. You are still grounded.
Hey Lee, I have a surprise for you.
What is it? Hey, did you just sneeze on my face?
Yes I am.
That's it. You are grounded for 8,161 decades. Go to your room right now.